My name is Okolua Bamiro. I'm an entrepreneur and I am very, very hyperactive. So I have my hands dabbled in different things. I never drop the ball. I'm very focused. I like to carry a lot of people along. I'm very open. I'm very sincere. And I'm very, very hardworking. We started out basically handling just per project basis, but now we're a full construction company and we handle turnkey projects, civil works, infrastructure, interior design, and all the works basically. We have a full team of structural engineers, civil engineers, we have electrical engineers, we have architects, we have a full design team of architects who design from end to end. It's an end-to-end solution provider, and we work with virtually every sector. From private sector, we handle the hospitality sector, educational sector, and also some governmental projects. So we work with any clients. We've handled different kinds of projects, from these interior design projects to branding projects to construction projects for different clients. We might not be able to mention some of the clients that we've done business with, but majorly turnkey projects from design stage to presentation to the actual civil works. And then finishing and then furnishing, branding, and then we hand over to the client. So we handle the entire scope of the work. So it's a very robust team that we have, and we can take on different kinds of projects. We want to add value within the construction sector, not just with our projects or with our innovations, but also with the human capital development. We see ourselves handling a lot of projects that has to do with training, taking more people off the streets, involving them within the construction value chain, expand the scope, of our influence, not just within Nigeria, but within Africa too. There are a lot of also other neighboring countries also that would, take advantage of some of the trainings that we are looking to have in the coming years. Starting from 2017, we started Decke Vocational Academy, and we've trained close to 1,000 people, of course, in conjunction with our partners, Lagos State Employment Trust Fund and UNDP. And we've worked with a lot of these students in even getting employment, from them within the state government. This year alone, we've also done a lot of training. Next year, we're going to continue training. It's very important for us to continually increase the human capital development for the construction sector. We train them in theory courses and practical courses. It's 30% theory, 70% practical. We always ensure that they go through a proper HSC briefing for every class that they take, because it's very important for them to be safety conscious on every site. This is too important in the construction sector, to eliminate any form of casualties and all of that. I've been in business for about 13 years. It's been a generally wonderful experience. Of course, naturally, there's that quest for having a more enabling environment, where startups can, survive their teething periods, at least for the first 1, 2, 3 years, until things, normalize. For example, I'm in the construction sector, and there are a lot of things that, affect our, business. For example, when you have power, and then you have to worry about, variations and all of that. And I mean, no client wants you to bring, an extra bill to them, when you already have a signed contract with them. But these are some of the things, that we sometimes experience. And then logistics, moving our materials to different locations, because sometimes you have to work outside of Lagos. For example, last year we were working in the northern areas, and getting our personnel to those areas were very difficult. Sometimes the road, I don't want to really mention some of these locations, but the road access to those places, it was very difficult moving materials. Some of them, we even had to get boats to move the materials from one location to the other. And of course, we also had sometimes the problem of security. Would have to engage additional security to stay with our personnel when executing some of these projects.